Ladies and gentlemen.
Came across a place in the middle of nowhere, the big black horse and a cherry tree. I felt a little fear upon my back, said don't look back to sleep on board. When the little old lady said look this way, said hey lady, will you marry me?
Ladies and gentlemen, Katy, bullock.